What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we are going to be doing an unboxing. I'm not quite sure what's in this one just yet, but I do have an idea. So let's go ahead and jump over to the other camera and check it out. But before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed. And that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Alright, so now we are here with the product itself. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this open, being careful not to show my address. Alright, we have a box. There. Okay, so we have a box from Sineaptic. I think I do know what this is, actually. Alright, so let's take a look at this box. Oh, this is kind of nice. Whoa. Kind of like that. Alright, here we go. We see the SE-1 wireless headphones with dual ribbon speaker drivers. Dual ribbon drivers are very hard to find, actually. They aren't too common. So it's kind of cool that they are in these. Those are generally higher end audio drivers. So let's go ahead and see what this is like. Let me bring my handy dandy knife out and open it up. Alright, so let's get this open. Alright, easy enough. So let's take a look at the top. Eco-friendly paper design. Caution, edges may cause paper cuts. Thanks. I actually have gotten many paper cuts from unboxings before, so thanks for the heads up. Let's pull this out. Interesting packaging, honestly. Okay, so this is empty now. Now, here is the actual packaging. We do have, we'll open that up. Now, I wasn't expecting this packaging. I know I'm talking a lot about the packaging and not much about the product itself, but this is actually really cool to see like how they did this. So the quick start guide is right on the back, very eco-friendly, very nice to see. We have double ribbon speaker on each side of the headphones, custom design amplifier, high quality Bluetooth chip integrated within the amplifier circuit with microphone for phone calls, 3.5mm jack, features audiophile sound quality. Very, very cool. And it has the buttons on the device itself. So wireless mode, audio cable, play and pause, forward, previous, volume up, all the normal stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. I like the way it opens. Let's take a look at the manual here. Looks like a comfortable design. It's one of those that probably isn't going to look like the coolest to wear, but it's going to be like super comfortable because they have those top pads. Those top pads are actually really cool. I didn't have a pair of these for a really long time, and then I tried one and I was like, whoa, okay, that makes sense. So let's put this aside. We've got some cables here. We have a very high quality 3.5mm cable. It's kind of rubbery, so it doesn't get tangled, and it looks pretty long, so that's good to see. Another cable over here. Do have a slight bit of plastic there on that cable. This is USB-C to USB-C. Very nice. And now onto the product itself. Let's pull these bad boys off and get these packaging out of the way and such. Some gel and some plastic. Alright, look at these headphones. Sineaptic right there. We have the nice and springy comfort pads right there. Let's see, these are pretty lightweight. Let's go ahead and turn them on real quick. And yep, they had battery already built in. Very nice. Massive size to these headphones too. Not like, you know, overly large, but I feel like the cups are actually large enough to put my whole ear into. So I'm going to try these out. Alright, so these are open ear headphones. Definitely. So isolation is next to none. I could pretty much hear everything just as I normally would. Let's go ahead and try some music. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So initially, I was going to talk about these not having very much bass, but then when the bass came in, I actually heard it. I'm gonna try another song. All right, very, very cool. So far, so good. I really like the sound quality on these. The comfort is next level. You can still hear everything outside when you're not listening to music. So it's not like one of those where you put it on and you're just like dead to the world. I really, really like these. I'm going to give it some actual time testing. I'm going to use these over like maybe a week or two, see how I actually like them in everyday use. But so far so good. It has 3.5 millimeter for high quality, has Bluetooth built in, USB-C, super comfortable, very lightweight even compared to let's see. So I've got these Logitechs here, and I would say the Logitechs are almost, yeah, I think the Logitechs might actually be heavier as well. So this is going to be super comfortable to wear, and I'm excited to try them out and let you guys know what I think. So again, this is Sineaptics, and this is the SE-1. So the SE-1 from Sineaptic, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description below, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one. Peace.
About a new device, unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up and break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,